Hi everyone, this is Kipo Vlogs, a Filipino actor-based team in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ng reaction video ang Xiaojie compilation, which is Xiao Jungwoo or Jongwoo and JL Gaspar ng Ahok. So I won't take any longer kasi ang dami nagre-request na gawan ko ito ng reaction video. So ito na, gagawa na natin agad-agad. Without further ado, ay ganyan ba talaga dapat? Ay, hala, green flag siya, mami. Kabahan na ba yung CJ at Hanuels? Hala, green flag siya. Ang swerte. Wait lang, ang swerte na maging girlfriend niya. Ang swerte na maging girlfriend niya. Hala, bakit ganun? Kung kanino na lang natin siniship si Ganda. Si Ganda. Si Ganda. Si Ganda na lang talaga yung ating nako-comment. Actually, kay Jongwoo, si JL, clingy. Pag kay Hani Yong, prim and proper. Pag kay Steven, maldita siya. Iba't ibang persona pala to. Charis. Clingy talaga siya. Clingy talaga si Kawai. Gwapo ni Jongwoo. Oh my God, green flag talaga siya. Hala. Atake, hindi ako makakita. Parang iba yung pagtingin ko ngayon kay Jongwoo. I think, nakailang gawa na din naman ako sa Xiaojie, pero parang iba ang Jongwoo ngayon. You know what I mean? Parang iba yung atake ni Jongwoo ngayon. Totoo ba? Totoo ba? Tsaka dikit siya. Parang nararamdaman ko talaga yung bulge. Ang gwapo ni Jongwoo, I swear. Gwapo din siya, no? Gwapo din siya. Papi. Papi yung mukha niya. Parang siyang si Snoopy nga. Tsaka grabe siya. Grabe siya. Oh? Tsaka parang napaka-inosente niya, no? Napaka-inosente niya lang. Yung tipong hindi talaga. Alam mo yun, hindi mo pwedeng bigyan ng mali siya, pero yung action niya, kamali-mali siya. You know what I mean? Kasi inosente nga siya eh. Kumbaga wala lang yan sa kanya. Pero pagdating sa akin, pag tinitingnan ko, grabe, napaka-seductive. You know what I mean? Okay. Okay. Ay.
さあ、スタート。
僕を 얼만큼?
どれぐらい
나 얼마나 좋아해?
僕をどれぐらい好き とっても好きです。알아요? かわいい。
Ay. Si ano yun, diba? Sino nga yung girl? Parang familiar ako sa girl.
はい、皆さん認めますか
Inosente talaga si Jongwoo. Walang kamali-mali siya. Tulad siya na. Ay, hello. Andun dito ba si Jongwoo? Ay, wait. Ulitin natin. Bakit ka pinorward? Oh. Ay. Ay, si Ganda. Ay, iba talaga si Ganda. Iba talaga si Ganda. Ganda, ganda. Parang gusto kong kumanta ng ganda, ganda. Sana mas malakas ang background music. JL was dancing. Di ba? Napaka-inosente ng face niya. Bakit naman nakanganga talaga? Proudly bragging.
They're gonna use this
Ano?
for your edits.
Okay. Ah, ito yung kumanta.
This is like the national song
Wow, national song. Hindi mo kaya.
doing edit.
Hindi mo kaya.
Before we
Tingin.
go in, someone was waiting for me
Before
outside.
we
and I was
jump.
like, oh, where are you, Jong? Because he went there.
Jong Yong.
I was like, you know, like in K-drama.
Huwag mo iyong
I
yong.
was like,
Please.
and then he was waiting, like, you know, with his hand on, like, he's just like this. And then, oh, I had your bag. And I was like,
Oh,
you know, in the middle of the, you know, the cinema.
Cinema.
Outside the cinema. I was like, oh, Jong, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I was like,
napaka-detailed yung magkwento, no?
I was like, look at your bag.
Napaka-detailed magkwento.
And he's waiting, standing on my bag. And I was like, it felt like I'm in, you know, K-drama. And everything just went so
Tapos? Oh. Oh. Oh.
And then we just, you know, buy about food, snacks, and everything. And then it was, you know, it was really, really fun. I had my own K-drama moment. It felt like I'm living my K-drama fantasies, everyone.
Okay. Ay, hello. Yes. Grabe si Jongwoo. Grabe nga. No wonder bakit yung sinasabi talagang what I'm trying to say is gumawa ako ng reaction video. Clean siya. Napaka-clean niya. Hindi siya nagmaldita doon. Anyways, that is our for today's. Ay, wait. In front of their family. Si Stephen. Oh my God. Grabe siya. Kiss talaga siya. Anyways, that is our for today's video from Shoji. This is Kikimo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.